Hi, Mark here from Greenstar Technologies. We just want to introduce this amazing penthouse that we've completed in Brighton. I just want to talk about the team at Greenstar and how important it is to have really good depth of designers, installers, project managers, because without a team you can't deliver a project like this. This project's been 3 years in the making, and you'll see after this shot the videos and reels that we've done about what we've completed. There's a dedicated theatre, there's motorised blinds, lighting throughout with Philips Dynalite, there's multi-room audio, there's 3 ultra-lift TVs that drop out of the ceiling, there's air conditioning control, there's music on 3 different levels outside, and basically the house is just amazing. But the level of detail that's gone into it from our team, with Shane, the project manager, Alan, who's designed it all, it's just been extraordinary. And I just want to say thank you to them all. Welcome to our new fit out of this cinema in a penthouse situation. So we've got a number of features that we've employed into this space, starting with smart lighting. So when you enter the space, we've got automatic lighting that gets you into the room. We've got full adaptation of the lighting for casual viewing, cinema mode, casual entertaining, so that we can adapt different levels of natural daylight into the space for casual entertaining. And then when we come to movie mode, we've got full block out with really good block out curtains. We've got the Sony laser projection in the 6100, which is a really good complement to the Stewart Filmscreen, which is a reference screen. Sony have got that background of doing video processing in the pro video world where the movies are made and mastered. And then with Genelec, that's also the main studio speaker where a lot of the productions are mixed and mastered. So we've sort of looked to recreate basically as much as we can what the director experienced when they created the movie. So we've got a Dolby Atmos system, which has got 3 speakers hidden behind an acoustic transparent screen behind me. And so all the front of the sound, left, right and centre, comes out of the action as it moves across the screen. Then we've got surround sound speakers surrounding the couch at the ear level here. So the horizontal sound effects sweeping around the room are really focused well to the audience position. And then discreetly hidden in our acoustic ceiling here, we've got hidden speakers that provide overhead effects hidden behind some acoustic transparent fabric. So when you enter the space, it's very much an intimate lounge feel, but then you've got a lot of technology hidden away. And then we come also to a Control4 control system. So we've got one remote for the room, so you can control all the air conditioning, the blinds, the lights. You hit Apple TV, the system comes to life, and the screen behind me has motorised masking. So what that means is that different movies have a different shape. So your CinemaScope movie, the image will appear much wider, but for your standard TV, your free-to-air TV, the masking will come in and give you that beautiful masking around each different type of aspect ratio. So we've gone to a lot of effort to really optimise every type of viewing experience in this room, entertaining experience from casual to high-performance cinema. And we've used a lot of the technologies that the studios use to create a really high-performance but really intimate setting in this room.
It's been an interesting process, just learning. I guess I had knowledge of the Control4 and the work that you do from my previous place, but this is on a bigger scale. And it's been amazing to discover all the fantastic things that you've done. It's really, again, enhanced compared to what I had previously. So having the heating involved, far more controls through the Control4 has just convenient. And it's funny, I now go to someone else's place and forget to turn lights on because I basically don't touch them here. And even something as simple as leaving and you guys programmed it so that one button it turns all the lights and aircon's off without having to go through it. So, part of it is what was spec'd and the software, but a large part of it is how you work with me to kind of create the best possible environment and living space, which is fantastic. Pretty seamless in that I left it to you guys. I put a lot of trust in you and the interior designer, and didn't really micromanage it, and that's the ideal situation. That was with the lighting, and I think I had some involvement with the TV lids, the double drop. But apart from coming up with the basic concept, you guys just made it happen. There was a whole rationale that I wanted this space to have a particular look, and having a large telly on the wall didn't really fit in with that vision. Yeah, look, it's an interesting process, and I really encourage anyone who can do it to do it, because it's a different experience. So I would watch the majority of my television out here, but then something special, you go into the cinema and it becomes special. Just the whole setup, the feel, the popcorn machine. So it's well and truly worthwhile. Simple. It's just simplicity, and it's hassle-free. So not only the control functionality, my personal experience is, even though there are wall-mounted controllers, 90% of the time I'm doing it on my phone or my iPad. As important, if not more important, is how you worked with me to understand the automation part of it, wherever I'm not thinking about it. Well, I already have, and that's to give them your details and refer them to you. Yeah, in today's business, it's a rarity to find professionalism and customer service and care, and you guys have delivered it, for basically the duration of the, 10 years now that we've worked together on the two different projects. So, in my mind, when I was starting to look at this property, I didn't even consider going elsewhere, and I think I involved you as soon as I signed the papers to purchase this place. So yeah, would thoroughly recommend you guys.